In this episode of The Real Crimes of Kurri Kurri, we learn about the Home Safe Rule. It's within Schedule 3 of the Road Traffic Act 2013, and we're in New South Wales. Basically, the law says the police can't require a person to submit to a breath test at the person's home. I didn't know about this drink driving rule. And when Kurri Kurri Local Court sat in April 2025, this particular part of the law was looked up and used in more than one case. In this case, we will call the defendant Dave. It's not his real name. He's probably middle-aged, and we hear he enjoys gardening with his mum. No, I'm not sure how gardening is relevant, but there are said to be photos to demonstrate the gardening. It's actually the magistrate who questions if the police had the authority to conduct the breath test on Dave. We hear that Dave isn't in his home or in the garden. Rather, Dave is in the back of an ambulance, which sounds like it's parked curbside, which we assume is out the front of Dave's house. It's agreed the ambulance is considered in the vicinity of the home, and therefore the Home Safe Rule applies. The breath test is ruled out and now cannot be used as evidence. By the way, we never hear the backstory of what happened that saw Dave needing treatment in this ambulance. It sounds like some sort of drink driving accident. The charge is never clearly said out loud, so the police need to produce evidence that proves alcohol was in Dave's system above the legal limit. Wait for it, after the breath test, police went on and took a blood sample from Dave, which presents the next legal question: when did they take the sample? Back to the Road Transport Act. Oh, he's a motorbike. Oh, there's a couple of them. Exciting afternoon in Kurri Kurri. Anyways, it's the same schedule, Schedule 3. It details that the blood sample must be taken within 4 hours of the event that required the breath test. The case has stood down for some time to allow the police prosecutor to find the paperwork that proves when the blood sample was taken. Oh, here comes another one. Just unmarked that one. I am making this out the front of the courthouse, which is also out the front of the police station. The police have produced the paperwork that shows that the blood sample was taken within 4 hours, and the magistrate allows the blood sample as evidence. Dave pleads guilty to what's assumed to be drink driving. Dave is convicted. We hear he doesn't have access to a car, but the magistrate disqualifies him from driving for 6 months. During sentencing considerations, we hear some personal circumstances about Dave. In my opinion, the personal circumstances may have influenced the magistrate's decision. The magistrate also explained the injury Dave received from the offending also went to his punishment. The magistrate used their discretion and dismissed the fine under Section 10 of the Sentencing Criminal Procedure Act. So the Home Safe Rule has been used in a case here at Kurri Kurri Local Court.